excited to take you along with me as I take some yarn and turn it into a child size sweater today. Now I know a lot of you are knitters, this is probably familiar to you, however I thought it might be kind of fun to see my process from beginning to end in knitting a sweater.
So I'm knitting with Yuru yarn, which is made by Knit Crate and sent out with their monthly subscription box. The box comes with 2 skeins, and this month it was their Silk DK in the color Beauty Berry. I will make sure to link it in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. I apologize in advance for the lighting changes throughout this video, as it was filmed over several days and most of my knitting time is after dark. I am working on improving this for future videos. So while the yarn does read differently in different lighting, it really is a berry purple that leans more red than blue. I would compare it to Pantone 2356C, which you can see here. So I'm going to wait to share the pattern name until the end of the video, so keep watching to see if you recognize it come to life. I will say this is a pattern that I have knit in the past. So I am knitting this for my 5-year-old, and the good thing about child-sized sweaters is how fast they go. It seems like you just cast on and it's already time to split for the sleeves. So like I said, this is my second time knitting this pattern for my daughter, and that's because she wore the first one that I made her so much that it's now getting too short and she needs a larger size. I made the first one short sleeved, and that was a matter of not enough yarn. However, it was her request for this version as well. I don't think I've ever knit with a silk blend yarn before, and it really has such a smooth feeling. The yarn really does have a shine to it, and when it's knitted up, the whole garment has a bit of a sheen overall. So have you guessed the pattern yet? It is Prairie Fire by Tin Can Knits. This pattern is sized from baby to adult, which means there may be many more of them in my future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos from me in the future, and I will see you next time. Bye!